my name is Kristen. I'm a factory direct representative for Luxe Fifth Wheels. I'm standing in one of our 48FBs that we currently have available. This right here is going to be a 16.4 garage. This is a flex space here, so we can really do a lot with this one. As you can see, it has the standard bunk system here with the queen size bed at the top, the sofas that can also go into a bed as well. There is also a table that can go between these two as well if you would like. We have the wallboard back here and the soft touch walls in the living area, which I will end up showing you. We went ahead and did a half bath in this one. It is rotated here so that you can keep that a little bit more of that length. We can also take it the other direction. We can put a full bath back here, plenty of different things. I've seen people put offices back here or make it a bedroom. So bringing that tile all the way back, maybe the soft touch walls as well, many different things that you can do. There is also a sleeping space up here in this loft. Some people, if they're not having kiddos come over or anything like that, they have brought it back here about 33 inches deep. That way it's more of a storage loft, able to retain and get those bins a lot easier. Coming into the living space here, since the garage is 16.4, the living space of the toy hauler is just going to be a little bit smaller to allow for that accommodations. Coming in here, you have the single bowl composite sink. You have the true backsplash on the wall there, which we have about 4 to 5 different kinds. You can also send your own in if you want to personalize it. We have the GE suite, so all residential appliances throughout. You have the convection microwave with the air fryer, 24-inch oven. You have the silverware drawer tray. You've got the dovetail here, soft close. In this one here, we do have the beachfront cabinets. We have switched over to white cabinets as well, if you do like that. Wireless chargers and the countertops in the kitchens are something that we are known for. Coming around here, you have the L-shaped sofa, so it's nice and cozy for your whole family to sit around here and watch TV. You got the booth set up here with the solid surface, and the overheads above with some nice large windows. Residential fridge, GE. Again, you got the ice and water in the door, and then you've got the freezer here at the bottom as well. And again, I was mentioning the soft touch walls in the living area. So as you can see here, this does add about a 1/4 inch of insulation to the inside. It's going to be sound dampening, climate controlled. It's aesthetically pleasing, easy to hang things on as well, and easy to clean since they are white. So if those little kiddos touch the wall with their little dirty paws, you can get that clean. But our overall wall is a 3-inch thick wall. It has a graphite infused closed cell foam in there. It's vacuum bond laminated. And then again, adding that adds that another 1/4 inch. Coming up into this area, you have your main controls here, where you're going to access all of your lighting, your slides, awning, generator, and everything like that. It is able to be worked on your phone as well. You've got the full bathroom here with the residential paneled shower. Porcelain style seats for the toilet. You can do macerator as well if you would like. Coming into the master bedroom here, we went ahead and did the solid surface nightstands. You've got the king size bed, which is standard. They went ahead and added the vanity slide, and when you do that, it gives you a little bit more walk space at the end of the bed here. Gives you that 43-inch TV. You've got all the dual pane frameless windows. And then you have a really nice walk-in style closet here with the dressers on either side. The washer and dryer prep for this one is going to be located in the garage. And then you got that nice hanging bar all the way across. You could always, if you were doing a build, decide you want to put that washer and dryer up here. Again, the toy hauler is quite flexible when it comes to those types of items. You've got 2 ACs, 15K ACs with heat pumps. You've got soft starts on those. They're low profile. You can always add one to that garage as well. I'm going to take you on the outside here and show you around. Now we're outside of the 48FB. Take a look at this beautiful paint job. This is going to be the upgraded Velocity. It is a 2-color paint mask here. It's all automotive paint. It's 3 coats of clear. It's a wet sand cotton buff. You can choose any automotive colors. You got the Gen Y hitch pin, which is going to be standard on the 48FB. You're going to have a gross vehicle weight of 27,000 pounds. We went ahead and added the generator here. This is a gas generator. It's going to be a 7K. You've got 4 6-volt AGM batteries, equalizer leveling system, which is going to be much beefier than a lot of those other ones out there. So when you're inside, you've got company over, people are moving, you're not going to be feeling this moving back and forth at all. It has really good suspension and really good equalizer leveling. You've got 2 40-pound propane tanks, one on each side. And taking a look in our nice size bay here, you've got all that wiring. It's very neat. It's going to be zip tied every few inches. It's not going to be like spaghetti thrown through there. You can see all those PEX lines are insulated with that Arctic package that we have on this one. You've got the marine grade speakers on the outside with the Bluetooth radio. You've got some exterior outlets here. They went ahead and did the MoreRide T-Safe rail, which this one comes a little bit further down. You've got the step above stairs that are giving you that extra step and a half at the top. Just adds a little bit more stability there. And you've got the keyless lock. That's going to give you a key fob with that. It also is equipped with the 4-camera system. So you have the one above the door for security, 2 in the front on the lower sides for when you're turning right and left, and 1 in the rear. You'll have a monitor that's going to go in your truck to help you when you're driving. All metal fender skirting. All of the bolts and everything are going to be hidden by this belt rail here, so they're not exposed to the elements. This is going to be access to the back of the fridge, so you need to do any type of servicing, winterization, that's going to be there for you. Again, everything about a Luxe is going to be about serviceability. We want ease of access for you. We've got on here all independent suspension. It's going to be, this one here has the upgraded MoreRide independent suspension. You got the 8K axles on this one with Kodiak heavy duty hydraulic disc brakes. That second entry there into that garage, or if you're going to have it as a bedroom. You've got an LP Quick Connect at the back here, so if you have a gas grill or a fire pit you want to hook up, you can do so. And then, as always, the patio does come down. It is a 5,000-pound rating on that door, so if you want to bring in some toys, or if you want to put it in that patio position, it's going to be a 1,500 pounds. And this one does have the railing package around it too. Coming around over here. So with the toy haulers, you're going to have a 20-gallon and a 40-gallon fuel tank here on board. You're going to have, one's going to run your generator, one's going to be for your toys, for your auxiliary. You do have that fuel pump that's going to go ahead and fuel into those toys that you have. And then we have the power cord reel. So this is going to be a 30-foot power cord reel right here. And then since this one does have the Arctic package on it, it does have 2 30,000 BTU furnaces. All your microwave's going to be vented outside, dryer's going to be vented outside. And then coming along over here to the wet bay, you have your outdoor shower, all of your low point drains. These are all going to be satellite prepped, solar prepped. We can always add either one of those if you would like. This one does have the 3-stage water filtration system on board. It has a 2,000-watt inverter, a 75-amp converter. It has the Truma on-demand tankless hot water heater. And then, Aaron, I'll let you take a get a shot of this. This is our sewer hose holders for those stinky slinkies. So if you want to keep those in there, it's a nice little compartment so you're not sticking them in with your luggage. That's a much better idea, I think. So thank you again for walking around this 48FB with me. Again, it is available. So if you have any questions, please give us a call.